Hey, Bob. It's Sam. Happy New Year's. I hope you had a good one. I did. I went to the fireworks. I went dancing with my boyfriend Becky. Anyway, what I'm going to talk about is vending machines. What? Yes, vending machines. Vending machines. Anyway, I know some people are making vending machines for stores into vending machines. Scary as that is, more scary is each year, yes, each year, every 36 days, 363 days, 10 people are killed by vending machines. 10. Only 10. 10 people. You know, it's kind of awkward. You're like, how did this person die? How did your aunt die? I'm so sorry. How did your aunt die? By a vending machine. What? Yeah, no. Say, vending machines. 10 people here are killed by vending machines. You know, on the tombstone, it says, killed by vending machine. Vending machine. Okay, if I was killed by a vending machine, I think on my tombstone it would be dot 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 dot. It would just be like I'll fake my own death. You know, I'll just put heart attack instead of vending machine. Anyway, 10 a year, 10 people vending machines. Really, that's crazy. That's just ridiculous. That's just insanity. I mean, they take those warning signs very seriously, people. Be careful of those vending machines. Anyway, Bob, I gotta go. You video chat me later. Video me later. Ah! Stay away from those vending machines, Bob. Stay away. Stay away.